In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create membership area in Go High Level. By the end, you'll have a clean branded member portal ready to sell and deliver your content. Start by opening your browser and searching for Go High Level. Click the official site, then choose the option to log into the app. On the sign-in screen, enter your email and password, or use the Sign In with Google option if that's what you prefer. Once you're in, look for the prompt that says, "Click here to switch," and select the correct sub-account you'll be using for your membership area. This ensures all your products and settings live in the right place. Inside your sub-account, head to Memberships, then Products. Click plus Create Product. You'll see templates like Sprint Course, Marathon Course, and Membership. Sprint is great for shorter, focused programs. Marathon suits multi-module or long-form courses, and Membership is ideal for ongoing, recurring content drops. Give your course a clear title, write a concise description that sets expectations, and upload a thumbnail that reflects your brand. This is the first impression your members will see, so keep it polished. Next, set your pricing and billing preferences, then click Create Course. Align the billing interval with how often you plan to release content, and double-check your currency and any tax settings your business requires. Now structure your content. Use plus add sub-module for your main sections, such as introductions, core lessons, or bonuses. Within each sub-module, use plus lesson for individual videos or text posts. Keep lessons focused and actionable, and mix formats to keep members engaged. When your product is outlined, go to Memberships, then Offers. Click plus Create Offer. Select the course or courses you want to include in this package. Choose whether access is free, a one-time payment, or a recurring subscription. Recurring plans require Stripe integration, so make sure that's set up beforehand. Switch the offer status from draft to published so you can link it to a checkout page and begin selling. Next, go to Memberships, Settings, then Domain Setup. Connect a custom subdomain like members.yourdomain.com by adding a CNAME record in your DNS. Allow time for DNS to propagate. Then, in Settings, Branding, upload your logo and favicon, and choose your brand colors to customize the login page and member portal. Finally, create an automation workflow so members get access immediately. Set the trigger to offer. Purchased for paid access or form. Submitted for free access, then add the Action Membership Grant offer and select your offer. That's it. Your membership area is ready to go. Publish, test the flow, and start welcoming your members.